Listen, before we get into anything, I want to make you a promise. By the end of this video, you're going to understand how to make your money work in two places at the exact same time without interrupting your compound interest, using tools you already have access to. And the proof that this works isn't theory. I'm going to show you real examples from people in our community, people just like you, who are already using these strategies right now. Terrence is borrowing against his $133,000 M1 brokerage account. Take Keith, he has $56,000 sitting in his M1 account. Russell is borrowing against his $91,000 M1 account. And Elridge just pulled $36,000 out of his IUL policy to fund private money loans. All while their money continues to grow uninterrupted. The plan is simple. First, I'm going to show you what uninterrupted compound interest actually is. Then I'm going to show you how to use an M1 brokerage account and an IUL policy to access the capital without stopping the growth. And last, I'll break down real examples so you can see how to immediately apply this to your own life. So if you've been looking for a way to multiply your money without taking unnecessary risks, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. I'm Elridge, and today we're talking about one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, uninterrupted compounding interest. This is the foundation of every wealth building strategy you see the wealthy use quietly behind the scenes. Banks, institutions, family offices, and once you understand it, it's almost impossible to unsee it and to go back to doing investing the way you used to it the old way. Because here's the truth, most people interrupt their compound interest every time they need money. They cash out an investment, sell an asset, or liquidate something to do something else. But wealthy people don't do that. Wealthy people borrow against their assets, let them continue to grow, and then deploy that borrowed money into the new income producing opportunity. So instead of one stream of returns, they create two, the same dollars. And I want you to imagine for a moment how different your life would look if every dollar you had earned twice. That's what we're talking about today. Now, what is uninterrupted compound interest? Let's break this down as simple as possible. Compounding interest is money earning money on top of money that was already earned. Nothing new there. But the key most people miss is time. Compound interest requires time. It needs to sit still, it needs space to grow. That's why every time you withdraw money from an investment, you reset the compounding curve. It's like digging up a seed every 30 days to look at the roots. It never grows. Uninterrupted compounding interest solves this problem. It allows your money to continue compounding even while you're using it somewhere else. You don't break the curve, you don't stop the growth. You don't interrupt the progress. You borrow against the asset instead of withdrawing the asset itself. And when you borrow without interrupting the growth, the math gets crazy fast. Let me show you how this works in real life. Now this is where people get excited. Some platforms don't let you borrow, but M1 Finance does. Once your account reaches $2,000, they allow you to borrow against your investments, typically around 40 to 50% of your portfolio value. If you invest in only index funds like us, you will be able to borrow 50%. Your investments stay invested, they keep compounding, they keep growing, but you get to access 50% of your portfolio without selling anything. And I actually made this mistake one time in 2021 where I sold my investment portfolio and bought a lot. And I would never make that mistake again. Now, let's walk through a real example using a person in our community. Terrence has 133 sitting inside of his M1 brokerage account. He's invested, he's diversified, he's long-term. Instead of selling shares to raise money to do deals, he borrowed against the portfolio. M1 give him access to $66,500. So what does Terrence do? He leaves the full $133,000 invested uninterrupted, and then uses the $66,500 to do private money loans at 10% as a capital partner with vertical capital. So in one move, he created one stream of compound interest inside of M1 and one stream of active income outside of M1 from lending the same dollars. Two returns, zero interruption. That's how you accelerate your wealth. Take Keith, he has $56,000 sitting in his M1 account. He qualifies to borrow $24,000. He takes the $24K and fund private loans at 10% with VC. Meanwhile, the full $56,000 continues to grow in the market. Keith literally doubled the jobs his money is doing. Russell has $91,000 in his M1 brokerage. He borrows about $45,500. He lends it out at 10% on short-term real estate projects, also a capital partner with VC. The entire $91,000 stays untouched and continues compounding. Russell didn't interrupt his growth, he multiplied it. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps this video get in front of more people. So thank you guys for your support. Anitra and I truly appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the second tool, an index universal life insurance policy. When you structure an IUL the right way, you build cash value that grows on the performance of the index. For example, the S&P 500, while protecting your downside. But here's the part that matters for today's video. You could borrow against your IUL while your cash value continues to earn interest and index credits, uninterrupted. This is where uninterrupted compounding interest becomes a superpower. Let me give you a real example from inside our community. Elridge is actually Vertical Capital's first capital partner. In the beginning, he was lending straight out of a regular checking account. Nothing wrong with that. He earned 10% and it worked. But he realized something important. He was getting good returns while his money wasn't growing anywhere else. So he made a smarter move. He transferred those idle dollars out of the checking account into a properly structured IUL policy. The cash value started growing consistently, automatically every single month. Then a new deal came up. And instead of using savings or draining a checking account or selling off investments, Elridge simply borrowed $36,000 from his IUL policy, and his full cash value kept compounding the entire time. Now here's what makes this powerful. His cash value continues earning interest and index growth. He deploys the $36,000 into a private money loan. He earns double-digit returns outside of the policy, and his compounding interest inside the IUL is not interrupted. He didn't slow down his compounding curve, he accelerated it. And this is the part most people never understand. When you borrow against an asset instead of withdrawing from it, you're allowing compounding to work for decades, not months. That's how wealth snowballs. So how do you use this strategy? Let's simplify it. Step 1, build an asset that compounds. This can be an M1 brokerage account or an IUL policy. Both gives you uninterrupted growth. Step 2, borrow against the asset. Don't sell it, don't cash out, don't interrupt it. You borrow a portion of its value. Step 3, deploy the borrowed money into income-producing opportunities. Most of our community members use private money lending, buying real estate, or you lend to yourself on large purchases. But you have to pay yourself back with interest. The goal is simple. Create a higher return outside of the asset while the asset continues to grow inside. Step 4, repeat. Every time your asset grows, your available borrowing capacity grows. And every time you deploy capital, you create new income streams. This is the exact method banks use. Borrow against assets, deploy capital, earn spreads, grow exponentially. You're just using the same system for yourself. Now, why this works so well? Because you're separating your growth engine from your opportunity engine. Most people use the same dollars for both, and that's why they never get ahead. You're doing something different. Your IUL or your brokerage account becomes your long-term compounding engine. Your borrowed funds become your short-term income engine, and the two never interrupt each other. This is exactly how wealthy families build generational wealth, not buying something once, but by making the same dollar work over and over and over again through leverage. Imagine having $250,000 compounded in the account while $100,000 is deployed into income deals, while both streams continue growing without touching your principal. Imagine doing that for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. That's how you create a family bank. That's how you create generational wealth. That's how you stop trading time for money. And that's exactly why I made this video today. Uninterrupted compound interest is not just a concept, it's a lifestyle shift and a mindset shift. Once you understand it, you stop thinking about money the same way. You realize you don't have to sell assets to access money. You don't have to interrupt your growth to take advantage of opportunities. You can make your dollars do multiple jobs and you could build wealth without starting from scratch every year. This strategy is already transforming the lives of people in our community like Terrence, Keith, Russell, Eltis, and many others, and you could be next. If you want to learn how to set this up for yourself, if you want to learn how to borrow against your investments, how to build your own family bank, how to multiply returns using the same dollars, then you need to join our free finance community. The link is in the description. Inside the community, we break this down step by step. We show you how to structure this correctly. You get access to the same opportunities, tools, and lenders our members use to create real cash flow. Click the link below, join us, and start building wealth the same way the wealthy do, the banks do, through uninterrupted compound interest. If you like this video, check out this next video on how to do infinite banking without a whole life policy.